One of the things that attackers like to do once they get initial access is they want to establish persistence. So it's a module called persistence_service where we can set our session, our listening host, and our listening port, and we can actually run that service, and it's actually going to be in the user's app data local temp directory. So we navigate there, we see that malicious file fpgzk. Another thing we can do is if we're a defender, say one of the good guys, we can use netstack to try to find that connection, that suspicious connection right there. And as you see, we see it. It's established on port 555 from that attacker IP. Let's hop into PowerShell. We can do a couple of things. What I like to use is get some instance. We can use this class, 132_process, pipe it, select object, process ID, process name, and command line, and we can see if we can find it. We can see if we can find it in here. So I do get process shell with wildcard, and I see it here. It's shell 3 in parentheses. It's process ID 4104. So if we want to get further information, we can run get process shell, and we can see, and we can pipe it to select object and get all the properties from it, the path, ID, etc. So when we run file on it, we can see that it's port executable. Another command we can run is we can enumerate for shares SMB, because a lot of times Windows is running SMB on port 445. So we'll do that with netesc view, and then we'll do 2 backslashes, the IP address /all, or we can do get some instance and run this, but it looks like it's not allowing us, it's not enabled. But that would be the command that you'll use to check it with get some instance. All right, so when we dump the hashes,